What if a black hole suddenly appeared near Earth? Imagine one moment the night sky is calm, stars twinkling as usual, and the next, something strange begins to happen. Astronomers would notice it first. Their instruments would pick up distortions in starlight, strange arcs, and bends in the heavens where nothing should be. At the center of it all would be a circle of pure blackness, darker than anything we have ever seen. It would look like a hole torn into the fabric of space itself. At first, people might not realize the danger. To the naked eye, the black hole would seem almost beautiful. Surrounded by a glowing halo called an accretion disk, dust, gas, and cosmic debris falling into the black hole would light up, creating the illusion of a fiery ring in the sky. It would look like a cosmic jewel, but it would be a warning of the chaos to come. The black hole's gravity would begin to tug at our planet. Unlike the moon, which gently controls our tides, a black hole would pull far more violently. Oceans would surge, flooding coasts and drowning entire cities. Gigantic tides would rise and fall in unpredictable rhythms, sending tsunamis sweeping across continents. The Earth's crust would not be safe either. The immense gravitational forces would stretch and compress the planet, triggering earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on a scale humanity has never experienced. Every orbiting satellite would be thrown off course. GPS, communication systems, and weather monitoring would collapse almost instantly. The International Space Station and any spacecraft in orbit would be pulled into chaotic paths, some perhaps spiraling into the black hole itself. Space exploration would end not with triumph but with disaster. From Earth, the view would be terrifying. The black hole's gravity bends light itself, so the stars behind it would appear twisted, as if reflected in a cosmic funhouse mirror. Entire constellations would warp around the black circle, giving the impression that the sky itself was being devoured. Nights would never look the same again. Could humanity survive such an event? If the black hole stayed at a safe distance, Earth might escape being torn apart, though life would be forever changed by tidal chaos and global climate disruption. But if it drifted closer, there would be no escape. Our planet could be ripped into glowing streams of rock and dust, pulled apart atom by atom. For anyone unlucky enough to be near the event horizon, time itself would slow down. A few seconds for them could be years for the rest of us, meaning Earth's final destruction might look frozen in time. And here lies the cruelest irony. A black hole is not a monster with intent. It is simply gravity taken to its extreme. But to us, it would be the ultimate predator. Earth's history, humanity's achievements, every memory ever made, could vanish in an instant. So, what's the conclusion? If a black hole appeared near Earth, there would be no heroes, no way to fight back, no miracle technology to save us. Our oceans would rise, our skies would warp, and eventually our world would be swallowed by silence. Black holes remind us of how fragile we are in the universe. Tiny creatures living on a blue planet, forever at the mercy of forces far greater than ourselves.